What's up everyone? Dave with Ebb Concrete, and today we're going to talk about, do trees affect my home's foundation? This is 3 Minutes of Why with your foundation guy. So today we're going to talk about, do trees affect my home's foundation? This is 3 Minutes of Why with your foundation guy, so we need to keep it under 3 minutes, so I'm going to get started. So the main question obviously is, do trees really affect my foundation? Absolutely yes. Trees are great. They're wonderful. Everybody loves trees. Kids like climbing trees. People like putting swings in trees. They offer great shade. They're pretty. They're seasonal. Everyone loves trees. Trees have a wonderful place in this world, not next to a foundation. They can wreak a lot of havoc to someone's foundation. Here's some of the reasons why. First of all, they have a massive root system. So however big the tree is up top, that's also how big the tree is down below. Well, those roots take a lot of water. So there's going to be a lot of water that's going to be sucked out of the ground that's going to go into that tree. Well, what that does is it takes all the water out of the soil that your house is sitting on. So a lot of times when we see settlement on a house, where a house has collapsed down on itself a little bit, or a corner, there's usually a tree within 10, 15, 5 feet of that corner causing that havoc. So that's one of the main reasons. The other one would be those tree roots could be pushing up against your foundation wall and actually physically bowing your walls in. We do see a lot of cases where tree roots are so invasive they're actually pushing themselves through the foundation wall, and they're buckling a lot of walls in and causing a lot of structural damage because of the roots. And another thing that trees can cause a lot of damage is they can clog gutters. Now there's a lot of great systems out there, and there's a lot of great gutter people out there that can come and put shelters or hoods over your gutters. And we recommend that because what can happen is your gutters can fill up with leaves or helicopters or whatever, branches, and then your gutters can overfill, run over your home, and then you can't get the water effectively away from your house, thus flooding your basement. So, do trees affect your foundation? Absolutely. Should you cut all your trees down? Absolutely not. But be aware whenever you're planting trees, or if you buy a home that has a tree close by, look for any damage or structural or water issues maybe around where that tree is. I can go as far as one time I remember a tree in a front yard of a house, and the walls were all buckling in and the floor was all coming up, and we found tree roots in the back of the house about 60 feet away. This was a big cottonwood tree, and it was very invasive, and it did a lot of damage to this home. So just be aware, trees are beautiful, trees are wonderful, everybody loves trees, but they can cause some damage. I hope that was helpful. That was 3 Minutes of Why with your foundation guy. If you found this video good and helpful and you want to follow along, please click subscribe above and follow us. We'll surely be releasing a lot more videos. All right, take care.